What's up, guys? I'm monetized. I want to tell you how much I've earned in the last 28 days. I was monetized on 1st of June. Then on 2nd of June, I started receiving super chats, memberships, and also super thanks to my channel. I was so excited. I was over the moon because it is a dream of every YouTuber. It's a dream of every creative out there. If you are doing content, you always want to see something in the end. So I'm not fully monetized, but this is partial monetization, like the first phase of monetization. So I started my YouTube journey last year. I think it was last year in 2025 January. I posted my first video going to the beach, and right now that video has around 20,000 views. That was my most performing video up to date. 20,000 views. I've never gotten that amount of views ever. So that was the inspiration for me to continue with the YouTube journey. I decided to continue with my YouTube channel because I saw this video is doing good on YouTube. Let me keep posting. Then after 1 month, I stopped. The same month of starting my YouTube channel, I stopped posting videos. Then on May, again, same year, after getting bad news that my mom has passed away, I was grieving. I had nobody to talk to. So it was just me and my camera, or rather my phone. So after the burials, I was like, I don't have a lot of friends. The only thing I have is my phone. I like browsing. My YouTube channel is still there. It has over 20,000 views. At that time, it was around 15,000 views. Right now, it's 20. It was around 15,000 views. I was like, what if I continue with my YouTube journey and continue posting videos? Because at that time, I was around 18 subscribers. 18 subscribers, guys. And remember, the video has 15,000 views with 15 subscribers. So after there, I kept on posting. Then I reached 50 subscribers. I unlocked live streams. I kept pushing my live stream, and every day, with one person watching my stream, 2 people watching my stream, up to now. Then this month, on 1st of June, I got a notification from YouTube that I'm eligible to become a I'm eligible for the YouTube Partner Program, YPP. So if you are eligible to get YPP, you must have 3,000 subscribers, no, 3,000 watch time hours, over 1,000 subscribers or 1,000 subscribers for you to be eligible, or 90 million views on your YouTube shorts with 1,000 subscribers. So after there, I applied everything. It was approved, and I was happy. Congratulations to me. Congratulations to my fans as well, because they made it possible. So from there, on 2nd of June this month, I got my first super chat. Shout out to you, Darklows. I got my first super chat. Then this my first super chat was 4 euros from Darklows. The second day, again, I got, I think, 2 euros again. So the accumulative balance right now in my YouTube studio, my earnings is $15, guys. In the last 4 or 5 days, I've made $15. That's incredible. That's from super chats and memberships only. Only one person has bought a membership. And guys, remember, I've been trying to say that this journey has not been easy, but I'm focused, and I'm going to keep producing content. I'm going to keep posting, guys. Post. No matter what people say, oh, you have few amount of views, keep posting. You never know your breakthrough. My first video was my breakthrough, 20,000 views. I know it's not like a big number, but 20,000 views is a big number to me because it was my first video and I got 20,000 views. I've never got 20,000 views again. So keep posting, even if you get 10 views, just keep posting. I know people will come and demoralize you, demotivate you, tell you, oh my God, you have 2 views, just stop posting. But don't stop posting. I believed in myself, and I've always believed in myself. I don't listen to nobody's advice, because I know I might listen to some people's advice because it's good, because it's positive, but negative advice, I don't listen to it. I just ignore and I move on. And that's what I'm doing right now. That's why I'm achieving something small. I know in future I will achieve something big and also upgrade my channel. Yeah, start small. From wherever you're sitting, just produce your content, put it out there for people to watch. So guys, if you want to see how much I've earned, I will tell you how much I've earned after full monetization. But right now, guys, this is just a hint. I've earned $15. So for you to withdraw money from YouTube, you have to earn $100 or 70 euros for you to withdraw the money. That's for Kenyan people and people from I think African countries. You have to reach $100 for you to withdraw. So right now I'm $15, so it's remaining around $85 remaining for me to receive my first YouTube paycheck. So yesterday I was setting up my channel. I was setting up my information on Google because it was requesting for my information. Then once it is approved, I will set up my bank account and hopefully wait for my first paycheck. Yeah, so right now I have 3,030 watch time hours. So once I reach 4,000 watch time hours, that's when I will unlock ads on my videos. That's when I'll go full monetization. Full monetization. Everything I'll be doing will be giving me money. So there's someone who can actually post a video today, probably 2 videos, and he gets full monetization. He gets 4,000 watch time hours. He gets 1,000 subscribers. And but for some of us, it's a bit tricky. That's why you have to grind. You have to push. You know, you have to push yourself strong. You become strong. Because it's not easy, but I'm not discouraging anybody from starting a YouTube channel. Just start your own YouTube channel. Don't listen to people's noises. If you listen to noises, you will get discouraged. You will change your mind very, very quickly once you see there's nothing happening on your videos. But I thank my supporters. I thank my people. Shout out to you, Darklos. Shout out to you, is it Ledgers or something like that? Shout out to you, FCB, Ash. Those are my supporters. You know, and the other guy from USA who sent me $5. Thank you so much. You know, it means a lot to me, guys. And I don't take it for granted, guys. If someone comes to your YouTube channel to watch a video, they are taking their time to watch your video. Don't ever say something bad to them. Don't ever say something bad to them, because they will return and you'll need them in the future. So, guys, I earned $15. That's roughly like around maybe 12 euros or maybe 10 euros, 12, 13 euros there. So if I am supposed to withdraw the money with around 70 euros, maybe I'm remaining with around 50 something euros for me to withdraw. Guys, let's make it happen, man. Let's just make it happen, guys. I'll be over the moon if I receive my first paycheck. But guys, I will update you once I receive my first YouTube paycheck. Thank you so much for those donations. Thank you so much for the memberships. Thank you so much for the super chats and super thanks. Salute to my comrades. You know how we do it, comrades. Like and subscribe, guys. Watch my videos. Don't just watch my videos for 1 minute and you click away. Even if my video is boring, please try. Anyways, thank you so much for watching my video, guys. Like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.